Hi, everyone. It's me, Madam Pamita, and we have another fabulous question from the Live Magic Q&A Tea Party that I hold every Sunday. I'd love to see you there. Come join me live over Zoom and ask your questions about witchcraft, magic, spirituality, and I'll answer them. You can do that simply by going to spellsquad.com, signing up, and you'll get a link to join. And not only that, you'll get a coupon for the Parlor of Wonders. Win-win. So why don't you head over to spellsquad.com, and now we're going to see a clip from one of our live magic Q&A tea parties. Czar asked the question, what products do you recommend for use in for success in job hunting? This is a great question. One of my favorite questions to ask because there's so many great things that you can do for job hunting. Number one, if you're going to be working with paper, like you're turning in a resume or an application or something paper that you're going to turn in, doesn't happen very often anymore, but once in a while it does. Maybe you're handing a business card to someone, your own personal business card, or maybe there's some documents or papers that you have to sign. Then what you can do is use sachet powders on those. You can use sachet powder like Grand Success so that you have success in this job hunt. You could also use Steady Work. You could also use Fame and Fortune. Those are all great sachet powders to work on in that way. Now you think Fame and Fortune, but I'm not applying to be a movie star. Why do I need Fame and Fortune? Fame and Fortune brings positive attention to you or your work, So you can put that on a paper that you're going to hand in and they will touch that paper. And I have a video showing you how to do it. So go to YouTube and watch my video on sachet powders. And I show you how to use them on business cards, and I showed you how to use them on a greeting card. And it's a great video to give you that kind of little rundown on how to apply sachet powders to paper. But let's say you're turning everything digitally. I mean, that's the reality of our life today. So if you're turning in documents digitally, you can't put a sachet powder on it, but you can put oils or sachet powders on yourself. And that's what I would recommend. Do Steady Work, Grand Success, and Fame and Fortune. Those are the big three that are great for job hunting. It's to get people to see you, to remember you, to have success in this endeavor, and to get the job. Steady Work is to get the job. Grand Success, so you're successful in getting the job, and Fame and Fortune to bring positive attention to you. If you want to do a candle spell around this, which is also another option, the Lucky Horseshoe candle is a fantastic, phenomenal candle for bringing in success in the workplace. Not only that, it has a horse. It's like a horse race imagery. It's a horse and a horseshoe on it. This is to get you to be the winner, for you to be in the winner's circle. You know, in the winner's circle at a horse race, they put a flower horseshoe around the winning horse's neck. I don't know if they still do that anymore. They used to in the 1950s. So this image that we've seen in old movies all the time is this idea that you are going to be the winner. You're going to be the one that wins the horse race. You're going to be the one that gets the job. So you can work with a yellow horseshoe candle for good luck and for success, a green one, which is associated with money and jobs, orange one to break through any barriers and to be the winner, to have success with this. These are all great colors that you can bring into your spell work. You get a spell kit, it has everything in it. You don't need to all you need to add is a tray and matches, and that's about it. It has the oils and the herbs and everything that you need. You can add a booster pack. Your booster pack might be a success booster pack or a miracles booster pack or affluence booster pack for money. So any of those will work, and those will be great if you want to add a little extra element to customize the spell and make it a complex spell. That's a great way to work.